Police dies suddenly, leaving the Jamaica Constabulary Force members in mourning. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF has been plunged into mourning following the sudden passing of a policeman on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Detective Corporal Dalton Hemmings, who was assigned to the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, Sisoko. Reports are that the police was at home when he complained he was not feeling well. He was rushed to hospital where he was later pronounced dead. News of his death has left the Jamaica Constabulary Force in mourning. The police high command has since expressed condolences to his family and members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.